Think you need a huge salary to start building wealth? Not true. Even just $100 a month, if used wisely, can grow into serious money over time. Before we show you exactly how to turn small amounts into long-term wealth, make sure to like this video and subscribe, because building your future starts with smart, simple steps. Let's dive into how to build real wealth with just $100 a month. Start with high-yield savings for your emergency fund. Before investing, you need security. Put your first $300 to $600 into a high-yield savings account earning 4 to 5% annually. This creates your emergency buffer and prevents you from touching investments during tough times. Once you hit this goal, typically after 3 to 6 months, redirect that $100 monthly contribution to wealth-building investments. This foundation is crucial because it keeps you from panic-selling investments when life throws curveballs. Automate index fund investments. Your next step is broad market index funds, specifically total stock market or S&P 500 funds. These track hundreds or thousands of companies, giving you instant diversification. Set up automatic monthly investments of $100 into low-cost funds with expense ratios under 0.1%. Vanguard's VTI, Fidelity's FCRLX, or Schwab's SWTSX are excellent choices. Historical market returns average 10% annually, meaning your $100 monthly investment could grow to over $200,000 in 30 years through compound growth alone. Maximize employer 401k match first. If your employer offers 401k matching, prioritize this before other investments. It's literally free money with immediate 100% returns. Contribute enough to get the full match, then continue with additional investments. Even if it means splitting your $100 between 401 contributions and other investments, the matching funds accelerate your wealth building significantly. Many people miss thousands in free money annually by not maximizing this benefit. Dollar cost averaging strategy. Invest the same $100 every month regardless of market conditions. When markets are high, you buy fewer shares. When markets drop, you buy more shares at lower prices. This strategy, called dollar cost averaging, reduces the impact of market volatility and often results in better long-term returns than trying to time the market. It also removes emotion from investing, preventing costly mistakes that destroy wealth. Consider target date funds for simplicity. Target date funds automatically adjust your investment mix as you age, becoming more conservative as you approach retirement. They're perfect for hands-off investors who want professional management without high fees. Choose a target date close to when you plan to retire. Invest your $100 monthly and let the fund handle rebalancing and asset allocation changes over time. Add international diversification. Don't put all your money in U.S. markets. Allocate 20 to 30% of your investments to international developed and emerging markets through funds like VTIX or FTIX. This diversification protects against periods when U.S. markets underperform while capturing growth in other economies. International exposure has historically improved risk-adjusted returns over long periods. Increase contributions with raises. Every time you get a raise, increase your monthly investment by 25 to 50% of that raise amount. If you get a $200 monthly raise, add $50 $100 to your investment contributions. This lifestyle inflation protection ensures your wealth building accelerates as your income grows, without significantly impacting your standard of living. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. When planning your retirement savings, it's important to choose the right type of account based on your current tax situation to maximize your benefits. If you're currently in a lower tax bracket, a Roth IRA is often an excellent choice because it allows your investments to grow completely tax-free. With a Roth IRA, you contribute money that's already been taxed. So when you withdraw funds in retirement, assuming you follow the rules, you won't owe any taxes on the earnings or principal. This can be a huge advantage over the long term as your investments compound. Conversely, if you're in a higher tax bracket today, a traditional IRA might be more advantageous. Contributions to a traditional IRA are typically tax-deductible. which reduces your taxable income now and can lower your tax bill this year. While you will pay taxes on withdrawals in retirement, deferring taxes until later may allow you to benefit from a potentially lower tax rate after you stop working. Another powerful account to consider is the Health Savings Account, HSA, available if you have a high-deductible health insurance plan. HSAs offer a rare triple tax advantage. Contributions are tax-deductible, investments grow tax-free, and withdrawals used for qualified medical expenses are also tax-free. Because healthcare costs can be one of the largest expenses in retirement, using an HSA as both a health fund and an investment vehicle can significantly enhance your long-term financial security. Reinvest all dividends in capital gains. To maximize your investment growth, it's essential to set all your accounts to automatically reinvest dividends and capital gains rather than opting to receive them as cash distributions. When dividends and capital gains are reinvested, they purchase additional shares of your investments, which then have the potential to generate their own dividends and capital gains in the future. This process creates a powerful compounding effect, where your returns build upon themselves over time, accelerating the growth of your portfolio. Over long periods, think decades, this strategy can significantly increase your final account value, often doubling or even tripling what you might have if you consistently took dividends and gains as cash. Reinvestment essentially puts your money to work continuously, turning every payout into a fresh investment that contributes to your wealth accumulation. This simple step can be one of the most effective ways to boost your long-term financial success without any extra effort on your part. Track progress and stay consistent. Instead of obsessing over daily market fluctuations, make it a habit to review your investment accounts quarterly. Checking your portfolio every day can cause unnecessary emotional stress and tempt you to make impulsive decisions that hurt your long-term progress. What really matters is staying consistent with your monthly contributions and sticking to your plan through market ups and downs. To keep yourself motivated, use apps or spreadsheets to track your net worth growth over time. Celebrate important milestones, like reaching your first $10,000, then $25,000 and beyond, as these markers show your steady progress and help maintain a positive mindset on your financial journey. The power of time example. Starting to invest early makes a huge difference in your long-term wealth. For example, if you begin investing $100 every month at age 25 and earn an average annual return of 10%, by the time you reach 65, you could accumulate over $580,000. However, if you wait until age 35 to start investing the same amount, your savings would grow to only about $225,000 by 65. Starting even later at age 45, with the same monthly contribution, leaves you with just around $80,000. This stark contrast highlights the power of compound interest and why it's far better to start investing immediately, even if the amount feels small, rather than delaying in hopes of investing larger sums in the future. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built with consistency, patience, and smart decisions, even if you're starting small. Which strategy are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments. And if this gave you a new perspective on what's possible, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart money content coming your way.